どうも皆さんこんにちは。SNS クリエイターの𝚤です。今日はストーリー加工をするときにインスタGIFを使ってできる背景アイデアを紹介したいと思います。動くインスタGIFを使ってストーリー加工だけでおしゃれな背景ができるのでおすすめです。YouTube の他に TikTok や Instagram で毎日ストーリー加工を更新しているので、もしよかったらフォローしてみてください。すべて Instagram のストーリー機能だけで作っています。ぜひやってみてください。今回のポイントは手書きっぽいGIFを選ぶことです。色の主張しすぎないステッカーがおすすめです。まず1つ目のアイデアです。
Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse, don't forget to RSVP. Think about how the polar bears are running out of ice. But hey, this photo got a lot of likes. Get down, but don't feel down. This is why we can't have nice things, like a clean car or world peace. So to sleep from your eyes, and supersize your vibe. Wake up, check your phone. Wake up, check your phone. Smoke till you feel numb. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check, 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 dial the tone. Drink until it feels right. Drink until it feels right. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. Wake up to the American dream. Cherry Coke in the bathroom of a club. Influence you, influence me. Under the influence of my own anxiety. Check your phone, get some new clothes. Not sure where to begin, still stuck in my own skin. Dennis Rodman, 90. telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause
Instagram や TikTok、Twitter もやっているので、よかったらフォローしてください。もしこの動画が参考になったら、高評価やチャンネルボタンを押していただけると大変嬉しいです。それではご視聴ありがとうございました。